Secret NASA experiment confirms 500 BC chakra teachings. How you can activate your internal wealth DNA to attract money to you effortlessly, starting as soon as today. Did you know that humans only use about 8% of their DNA? In this short video, I'm going to tell you why that little-known fact is the key to making you insanely wealthy. Because once you realize what's going on with the other 92% of your DNA, you'll understand that everything you've been taught about building wealth and making money has been dead wrong. Because the truth about attracting wealth lies inside that dormant DNA. The 92% of DNA that mainstream scientists use to refer to as junk DNA. But I can assure you that none of your DNA is junk. And in this presentation, I'm going to share how a chance encounter with a rogue NASA scientist allowed me to discover the existence of something we call wealth DNA. And this is actually part of the dormant DNA that makes up 92% of your being. Which means the answer to your money problems isn't some external solution you have to go searching for. It's something that's already inside you. And once you activate this DNA inside you, money worries will be a thing of the past, giving you a life of true freedom and an unshakable sense of security, no matter what your situation looks like right now. Because what I'm going to share with you can work for any human being in existence. And the best part is, once I show you how to activate your wealth DNA, money will flow into your life effortlessly. And while I understand that probably sounds too good to be true, just wait until I reveal the secret NASA experiment in this short video today. Because you'll see that science has proven what Eastern spiritual teachings have claimed for centuries. That you are capable of attracting wealth. Which means you have a chance to rewrite your life story. Just like I did. Allow me to introduce myself. Hi, my name is Alex Maxwell. And I never thought I'd find myself in the position to write this letter to you. Because while I'm rich beyond my wildest dreams today, I was broke for just about my entire adult life. If you've ever felt like you were on a financial hamster wheel, you know what I'm talking about. Feeling like you can never get ahead. Always working your butt off just to keep your head above water. And if you're like me, you've tried anything and everything to get off that hamster wheel. Studying the law of attraction, selling Amway, or essential oils or whatever, only to find out those things are one big pyramid scheme. I also worked 2 jobs for a long time thinking I'd get ahead. But something always came up that would keep me broke. A car repair here. An unexpected fee there. You know how it goes. But no matter how exhausting it was, I kept chugging along. Sacrificing every spare moment I had to try to build a better life for my family. Look, sometimes being a good dad is a thankless job. No one ever seems to notice or care that we give and never take time to take care of ourselves. Truth is, no one wants to hear a man complain about how tired he is or how he's struggling with his mental health. It's just the way our culture is. But I was always happy to keep grinding as long as I could take care of my family. But then one February, I hit rock bottom when my manhood was snatched away from me. You see, just a few years ago I couldn't even afford to buy my youngest daughter Alexis anything for her birthday. She was turning 5 that year and wanted a bicycle more than anything in the world. But I had to choose between the bike she wanted or paying the heat bill. Buy from our link in description and get bonus. Thanks for watching.